YouTube, it's your girl AMB.BYRD, and I'm back with another video. And today, y'all, I gotta get this skunk of a head done. I got a new wig. Focus, okay then. The wig, Queen Virgin Remy. This packaging is nice as hell. Ooh, this band is cute. This band is cute. I could wear this with an outfit or something. Okay. They gave me 2 bands though in a little giddy bag. I don't know. I think I looked at this hair and it was kind of scrunched up. Like the curls was really tight. Let me say that. But I feel like I could do a cute style with this. Oh shit. This shit look like Jerry curls. Why is it so... Okay. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I've never tried this hair texture before. But it has a lot of lace, so I can do a good little style with that. But how... Ooh. I don't know what style I'm gonna do. I don't even know. But we finna see, y'all. This shouldn't be too long. Y'all, I'm supposed to be going to the club tonight. So, oh my god, y'all, look, I burned my neck. It hurts so bad, like. And people keep asking me, what's on your neck? What happened to your neck? Don't worry about it. But yeah, I'm going to the club, so I got, oh my god, I don't feel like I'm gonna like this hair. I really don't feel like I'm gonna like it.
I'm Mr. One.
Rated R. Rated R.
I had low doubts about this wig, but we had to cut it to a bob. It's giving. It's giving. Yeah, I told the people that I didn't want to do it no more, but it's actually cute. It looked like my real hair, not gonna lie. I think the video stopped like in the middle. But it's okay. Y'all see the finished look. This is all we need. Okay. Okay, y'all. So the last part I left off was me getting my hair done. My camera died, but I wanted to show y'all because I didn't really think I was gonna like this hair at first, but I really like it. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair with nothing in it. It's dry, but it's still giving, you know what I'm saying, volume. Okay, so I want y'all to see the lace. Wait, I don't even have my contacts on and my lash keep going in my eye, but y'all see the lace. Y'all see the lace. It's giving very much natural in my hair. Now this hair texture, y'all, I was kind of sketchy about it because I was like, it's so, like, the curl is so tight. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. I didn't know if I was gonna look like a little kid, but I actually like it. And the hair was actually longer than this. I just cut it. I don't know if I got that part in the beginning of the video, but I like it. It didn't move. It ain't stiff. I would wet it, y'all, but I really like the dry look. Like, it look good wet too, but I like the dry look kind of better, so we're just gonna keep it a little dry. And I actually cut the ponytail, like, I just raised it up like this and I cut it shorter so it could be like, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying. But I'm gonna show y'all 3 different hairstyles on how to style a curly bob, but not today because I don't want to mess up this hairstyle. I kind of like it. Well, should I? Yeah, I'm gonna do it probably tonight. I'm gonna get back on here. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all 3 different styles and use code BYRD for 20% off. 20% is actually a lot, y'all. Y'all need to be using it because I think every wig I get, I be having like a QR code, but I be forgetting to tell y'all. So I'm telling y'all now. Code BYRD for 20% off. And this brand is Queen Virgin Remy hair. Wait, Queen Virgin Remy. Yeah, Queen Virgin Remy. Queen Virgin Remy QVR _ hair. And yeah, everything gonna be in the description down below. The rest of this video, I'm not gonna be talking, I'm just gonna be styling my hair. So I hope y'all enjoy it, and I got some more content on the way. I know y'all been waiting for me to drop some bangers, but I've been like trying to mentally process my life and get my stuff together, you know. Got a lot of stuff on the way, y'all, so y'all really just gotta stay tuned, and we just gonna get into these hairstyles. Y'all, this is so cute. Okay, so I'm back, and don't mind me, y'all, I took off my lashes and everything else, but I'm just gonna show y'all a few more. I don't have my contacts in either. Very much natural. But I'm gonna show y'all how this hair looks with a side part and a middle part, and that's really gonna be the end to this because I get my hair done tomorrow. Jesus Christ. Okay, y'all, this is how it looks as a middle part, but I'm not trying to look like Dora. This, I don't know, it's not giving. Maybe I need to just flatten the top, but I don't like how the middle part looks, so we're really just gonna try the side part. You can never go wrong with a good side part, you know what I'm saying? And then it's still poofy, so gotta wear this some more. I like the side part. I like the side part. I feel like when this hair dries, it looks so pretty. So I don't know why I'm wearing this. It's not even like tangled. It's just thick as hell. This hair is thick as hell. I need to trim the ends a little bit. Make it even. Make it even. You can see. Okay. I gotta flatten this part a little bit, but this is how I look with the side part, y'all. I still like my little half up, half down do. I get my hair done tomorrow, so I was just trying to let y'all see how the hair is. Very flowy, very thick, and everything. So yeah, if y'all new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, don't forget to turn your post notifications so you get notified when I post. And that's it for this video, y'all. Make sure y'all go follow them. Everything will be in the description box down below. And BYRD out this thing.